Hey guys, I'm back with a quick update on the grain portfolio and some thoughts on how to handle the new volatile market with many uncertainties with ongoing wars, conflicts and American tariffs that change day by day. But to start with, I just want to say, like I always do, I'm not a financial advisor and I do not make any recommendations on what you should or should not buy or sell. I haven't published an update since the last rebalancing of the grain portfolio in March, and the market has fluctuated quite a lot since then. Looking at the performance since the beginning of the year, we can see that the OMX 30 index has gained a mere 1.2%, while the grain portfolio has gained almost 16%. The rebalancing occurred on March 6th, and one can see that the portfolio withstood the effects of the Trump tariffs in the beginning of April much better than the general market. Big dips like those in April due to the tariffs can feel scary, and some retail investors can react by selling off some or all of their investments on the way down as they think that the downturn will continue. And in a sense, that can be a way of securing some of the capital to buy back at lower levels. However, quite often the market bounces back too fast and the chance of buying back at lower levels never materializes. And as a value investor, we look for advice from big investors such as Warren Buffett or Benjamin Graham, the author of The Intelligent Investor and the inspiration for this channel. What would they do in times such as these? Here are some quotes or sayings often told by Warren Buffett to show how he thinks. Whether we're talking about stocks or stocks, I like buying quality merchandise when it's marked down. And be fearful when others are greedy, and be greedy when others are fearful. It's far better to buy a wonderful company at a fair price than a fair company at a wonderful price. Just buy something for less than it's worth. And time in the market beats timing the market. What we can take from this is that by keeping track of high quality companies and what they're worth by doing, for example, a discounted cash flow analysis, we can take advantage of dips in the market to buy such companies when they are temporarily trading at a price well below the actual value. Thus, keeping a portion of one's capital in cash or cash equivalents will make it possible to act quickly when the market dips. And going back to the grain portfolio and looking at the performance since the start, a little more than 4 years ago, we can see a total gain of 119%, which is much better than the OMX 30 index, which has only gained 22.3%. This means that the yearly return is currently 4.8% for the OMX 30 index, while the grain portfolio has returned 19.8% per year. If it keeps up this pace of growth, the value will pass 1 million crowns in 3 years from now, and about 2 million crowns 7 years from now, 5 million crowns in 12 years, and more than 9 million crowns 15 years from now. While the index down here has not even reached 1 million crowns. I hope you enjoyed this update on the portfolio. Stay tuned for more updates, subscribe and hit the notification bell to receive a reminder when I release a new video. So until next time, as always, stay sharp and follow your passion.